9/11, the day that when the United States had its guard down and it was attacked by terrorists. 9/11 was one of, if not one of the worst tragedies to happen within the past few decades. Basically what ended up happening was when the World Trade Center was attacked with two planes, one going into each building, and the buildings collapsed. And also the Pentagon was attacked, had a plane hit it. Several thousand, probably tens of thousands of people died that day. And this is going to be basically my way and other people's way of kind of doing a memorial. Now, as it will be said, I think one or two times during the this compilation, most people would honor someone who died or passed away, or someone who served our country, with a moment of silence. Well, we're going to do the exact opposite of that. We're going to make as much noise as possible. Now, I'm just going to let you guys know the next few clips that you're going to see will include mine, and this clip right now is going to be mine. And then the next few clips will belong to other people. I do have permission to use these clips. They were actually sent to me, so there's no copyright or anything, because I don't believe any of these videos have been uploaded on their channel. And if they have, then I still have their permission to use them. So with that being said, let's get into the test. Well, not even test, the sounding rather. So we still have the Firelight BG10 as our pulsation. We have the Wheelock EH-DL1 WM24. And then we have the Spectral Alert Advanced, which is set to continuous. And this, of course, does continuous. So basically, I want to say all of these videos, with maybe an exception or two, I'm not sure. I have not checked yet. I will probably check when I go through the editing process. I believe all of the clips will have alarms in continuous. And also, if you are sensitive to strobes, I'd not recommend watching this. If you are wearing earbuds or headphones, I'd turn your volume down, because this is going to be a hectic video. I'm actually going to put on ear protection right now, because this is going to be really loud. I'm going to be sounding these off for a minute. So once a minute has passed, I will then turn it off. And we will move on to the next clip. So let me pause this and put on my ear protection. Okay, my ear protection is on. Power is on. By the way, I'm not going to be sounding this. Just letting you guys know. But yeah, so here we go. This is for all who served us and who made a sacrifice on this horrific day. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was roughly about a minute. The only reason why I am kind of hasty about recording these going off is because my doorknob is gone, and there's my door's hingeless because it broke today, and I actually ended up getting locked in my room. So yeah, that was an exciting moment that happened today. But yeah, so this was my clip. I just want to say to whoever has survived 9/11, or who was in duty, or was part of the fire department, police, department, emergency services, paramedics, military. Thank you for your service, and thank you for all that you have done for this country. So I'm gonna stop talking now. We're going to move on to the next clips. So yeah, now let's get on to it.
Hey guys. So, every year I do a 9/11 memorial video, and that's what we're doing today. So, um, during the summer, I went to the 9/11 memorial, and it was emotional, but it was very, um, cool to see, what they did with the remains and how they made a museum of it. But it was very emotional. So, in honor of everybody that sacrificed their lives and everything, I have the spectral alert advances on high volume continuous, and we're gonna set them off. All right. So this is gonna be really loud. So if for headphone users, now would be a good time to take those out. If you have epilepsy or seizures, don't watch this, and lower your volume. All right, you'll thank me after. All right, here we go. Okay, that was so loud. I hope my neighbor does not come over and complain, because that probably will happen. Reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching.
In the fire alarm community, I find it customary to honor something with a very loud noise, though most people honor a moment like this with silence. So, let's make some noise for the men and women who died for our country.
Okay, for Frank Darty, this is my 9/11 fire alarm sound off. Basically, high volume continuous, high volume continuous. 3, 2, 1.